Good morning, student. We finished chapter number 7, that is Microsoft Word 2007. So, today I start a practical related to this chapter. So, open page number 69. On page number 69, you have a lab session. In that you have to write a letter to your mom. So, in the void box you have some letter. So, you have to type that letter in Microsoft Word document. I already typed that letter here. After the typing the letter, you have to follow the changes as given below the letter. So, before starting the changes, I will just show you how to open a Microsoft Word. So, for that I am here search a Word document. If you having a Office 10 onwards, you can directly search, and if you having a Windows 7, you can go to the Start All Program, Microsoft Office Word 2007. This is for Office 7, and if you having Office 10 onwards, you can directly search a Word. Okay. This after the opening a document, you have to write as a my loving mom, then press enter key. After that I am fine here, full stop, then space, again a I enjoy my picnic, in. After this you have a single quote. So, on your keyboard you have a single quote option just beside the enter key. So, you have to press that single quote, then Dreamland, again close the single quote, with my friends, give the full stop. Likewise, you have to complete your letter. Then what you have to do, follow the instruction. Save the document with the name letter to mom using save button of the quick access toolbar. So, here is the quick access toolbar along with the title bar. So, you have a save button here. So, just click on this. You have to save my file name as a my loving mom. You can change the location also and click on save. Okay. After saving this, what you have to do, close the document by clicking close option on a office menu. So, here file and here close option is there. You have to close the document. After closing the document, what you have to do, Control O. So, you have to press the Control O and open the letter to mom. So, see here, first is letter to your mom, Word file is there. So, in this way you have to do the practical. Point number 3rd, 4th, these 2 points you have to cover. Next point, place the cursor after friends in a second line. So, here the word friends, you have to place the cursor after the friend and then give the hyphen. So, hyphen means a single line and the name of your 2 friends. So, you have to write 2 friends name like Neha and for example Priya. So, I am writing the name, adding the comma. Then what you have to do, turn the D of Dreamland in a capital using Shift D. So, this Dreamland, give the capital D. So, Shift and D key you have to press along or once. Then next one, Place the cursor before M of Dreamland and insert A. Change M of Mickey and D of Donald capital. So here before the M you have to add A to correct the spelling. Then here Mickey you have to give the capital and Donald you have to give the again a capital D. So these changes you have to do. Next thing is place the cursor before R or of Ridhima and select the word using shift right arrow key and make it bold by using the home tab and click on bold button in a font group. So this is the Ridhima spelling. So first place the cursor before the R, press the shift key and arrow key. All of you know page up, page down, left right arrow key. So you have to press the arrow key till your whole word or whole spelling is selected. After selection, go to the home tab in the font group. This is called as a font group, and here you can add the bold to the Ridhima. Okay, in this way you have to complete your practical. After this practical, along with the practical, I am just showing you how to add or how to give the formatting to the text for showing more innovative. So first I am selecting all the text, go to the font tag, then go to the home tag. In the home tag you have a font group, just drop down the size and you can increase the size of your letter also. Next thing, you can change the color of some word also, like this. In this way you can complete your practical. After completing this letter, just go to save button and click once, because you already save your letter, it will show the changes or updation. Okay. So complete this practical in Microsoft Word and send the picture of your output document. If you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Thank you.